Have you put them on notice?
Lord,
Have you put them on notice that the allotment was illegal, irregular, they were not entitled to be allotted a shop? Have you put them to notice? You have accepted money from him?
not full money. No, no. He had not avoided.
Call the DDC.
He had not.
We would like to hear from him. What is this? You accept money from him, keep them waiting.
Milord, no, he has not avoided that.
साहब आप तीन बार पैसे लेंगे लोगों से, different लोगों से. Where is your affidavit? I mean, have you followed any rule of law? Is it your own private building?
No, Milord.
Is it your own house?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
And what is this letter? 2-line letter. जांच के क्रम में पाया गया. Where have you inquired? ऐसे ही एक लाइन में लिख दिया जांच के क्रम में. किससे जांच किया?
I have no.
कहां से जांच कराया? Are you in possession of the shop?
Yes, my lord.
No.
Yes, I have stated.
Where have you stated?
In paragraph, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Rakesh, Mr. Jagannath Singh. What's the matter?
Petitioners are the allotee of the shop.
Petitioners are the allottees of which shop?
Shop, my lord, of my lord, Jila Parishad. Annexure 1, my lord, may I say,
Yes.
it is the order of allotment to the person.
So what has happened? What brings you
My
here?
lord, by virtue of annexure 2, after 1 year, the allotment has been cancelled.
On what ground?
My lord, the ground is that,
Show us the cancellation order.
my lord, annexure 2 at page 28.
28.
Yes.
Yes.
Page 28, my lord. My lord,
जांच के क्रम में पाया गया है कि 209 विस्थापित प्रतिबंधकारी
सूची में हेरफेर कर सूची के बाहर के व्यक्तियों को दुकान आवंटित कर दिया गया जो माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के आदेश का अवहेलना.
I find some order of mine.
Yes,
somewhere.
my lord, order is annexure 4.
What is that?
My lord's order is at page 38, annexure 4.
What
My
had
lord,
I?
the operative portion is, my lord, at page 40.
No. देखें क्या है? What is my order? No, so this order was with respect to the allottees.
My lord.
The shops were complete in all respect. Mister, you are appearing for the Jila Parishad.
Yes, Milord. In that
Now what
case,
has happened now?
Milord, though I need some time to file counter affidavit, but telephonically I have talked to the district engineer. He has informed that though these petitioners were allotted the shops, but on complaint it was inquired and found that against us.
Have you put them on notice?
Lord,
Have you put them on notice that the allotment was illegal, irregular, they were not entitled to be allotted a shop? Have you put them to notice?
notice was not issued, Milord.
Then,
Milord,
what kind of administration are you running, Mr. Jila Parishad?
Milord, fact arrived that Milord, on a single shop of dismantle, these petitioners have allotted 4 shops.
You have accepted money from him?
Not full money, no.
What? You have accepted some part of the money?
He has not avoided.
Call the DDC.
He had not.
We would like to hear from him. What is this? You accept money from him, keep them waiting?
Milord, no agreement has been signed. He has not given him possession.
That's right.
Only-
Do you
only
accept or
allotment
do you
of-
deny this fact that you have accepted money from them?
Milord, he has not avoided
साहब
that.
आप तीन बार पैसे लेंगे लोगों से, different लोगों से. Where is your affidavit?
Milord, it's first date, Milord.
Today is the first day.
Milord.
All right, we will not
I will
proof
find-
of any.
I
If
will
we
find my
find that
counter affidavit.
you're bungling in the matter,
Milord.
we will be the last person to accept it.
Yes, Milord. Though Milord, notice was not issued, admittedly.
No sympathies for interlopers.
Yes.
We have no sympathies for persons who have who would have been found to have manipulated their entry in the building. But you have accepted money
Milord,
after some initial.
This belongs to the same category, Milord.
This belongs to the
Same category. They are interpolating the system.
merely by your saying so.
Milord.
Merely because you have dubbed them into that category, they would become interlopers.
No. Fact comes.
What fact comes?
On single shop.
We will put you
of
in that
dismantle-
category. Mister, be very careful while advancing your argument.
Milord, I will file my counter affidavit then. Only telephonic conversation I couldn't, Milord.
Telephonic conversation, all right, but please be very sure on the grounds that you take before this court.
Milord.
If that was the case, why did you keep them waiting for so long? Number one. Number two, under what scheme did you accept money from them? And number three, what is the basis for your coming to the conclusion that they were not initially entitled for being allotted? And four, what have you done? I mean, have you followed any rule of law? Is it your own private building?
No, Milord.
Is it your own house?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
The DDC has arrogated to himself the powers of everybody.
I will file counter, my lord, to the satisfaction.
You're unnecessarily increasing litigation for no good. We will record it. And what is this letter? 2-line letter. जांच के क्रम में पाया गया. Where have you inquired? Now we'll take a serious view of the matter. He is trying to act. Whoever is the officer, he is trying to.
That I would bring on record.
He is trying to act as if he is the owner of this estate. Now, why don't we, even if this is the first time that the matter has come, why shouldn't he be asked to appear here before the court? If we find that he is bungling in the matter, we will have a FIR registered against him. ऐसे ही एक लाइन में लिख दिया जांच के क्रम में. किससे जांच किया?
I have no.
कहां से जांच कराया?
I have not seen the paper, my lord.
You file the affidavit now, today, day after tomorrow.
My lord,
No.
some more time.
No.
At
The
least,
matter has unnecessarily been delayed.
Lord, at least 1 week. At least 1 week. One thing is clear, my lord, that they have not been put in possession. There is no agreement.
Are we talking about that?
No.
Are we talking about that?
He has said that.
What procedure have
He
you
has
adopted?
said that we have opened the shop in the writ
You have
petition.
to file your affidavit in terms of what I am dictating now.
Yes, my lord. Yes, sir.
Heard Mr. Jagannath Singh, learned advocate for the. Is there only one petitioner or set of petitioners?
7 petitioners.
Heard Mr. Jagannath Singh, learned advocate for the petitioners, and Mr. Nikesh. पूरा नाम क्या लिखते हैं आप?
Nikesh Kumar.
Mr. Nikesh Kumar for respond number
3 to 6. 3 to 6.
For respond number 1 and 2 for the state.
And Mr. Nikesh Kumar for response number 3 to 6. The state is represented by Mr.
Shiv Kumar.
Mr. Shiv Kumar. The petitioners appear to be allottees of shops in a building constructed by the Jila Parishad. They had approached this court earlier for a direction.
No, these petitions were not approached. No.
Who had approached?
Someone else. These petitions were not in
Some
the.
of the allottees.
Those have been allotted. Those petitions have been already allotted.
They have been allotted.
Yes.
Again,
There is no dispute on
the
that.
petitioners apparently were allotted shops for which they had deposited some money. However, no agreement was entered into between the petitioners / allottees and the Jila Parishad. Later, by a one-line order, their allotment has been cancelled on the ground that during inquiry it was found that they were not entitled for any allotment in the building in the first instance. Prima facie, the order is laconic. The order of cancellation of agreement is laconic. Cancellation of allotment is laconic and does not disclose any reason whatsoever. A vague statement, it has been urged, has been given that during the course of inquiry, it was found that the allottees were not entitled for any such allotment. Let an affidavit be filed on behalf of respondents number 3 to 7, explaining the circumstances under which
3 to 6.
3 to 6, explaining the circumstances under which the decision to cancel the allotment of the petitioners has been taken by the next date. Re-notify on next Monday.
27th of June.
Tuesday, agar maybe, my lord.
Sorry,
I am in personal difficulty on Monday. Therefore,
Tuesday.
28th of
Till then, my lord, at least status quo, my lord.
Till status quo, you have not been put in possession.
No.
I haven't, yes, my lord, I have
No.
stated that.
No.
No,
I have-
Mr.
I have
Please don't ask for something which is not required. Are you in possession of the shop?
Yes, my lord.
No.
Yes, I have stated.
Where have you stated?
In paragraph, my lord,
If the petitioners are in possession of the shops in question, they shall not be disturbed in the meanwhile.
Yes.